Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class, I will continue next exercise number 3 in large numbers. Yes, first question. What is first question? Here see, form the greatest and smallest 9-digit number using given digits. By using given digits, you should form greatest number and smallest number that must have 9 digits. By using digits, here see how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 digits are there. We can use all those digits. So you should get smallest greatest number or smallest number that should have 9 digits. So that means the digits should not be repeated. Whatever given digits are 9. So without repeating, we can write smallest number and greatest number. If you repeat, the digits may be changed. So you should get only 9 digits now. So 9 digits number, for that don't repeat and write by using these digits, write greatest number and smallest number. Now starting greatest number. How to write greatest number? So, to write greatest number, the bigger number, the greater number digit, the greatest digit should take in the first place. Leftmost first place, take greatest digit in out of all, and the next greatest is 8. First one is leftmost, first one is 9, and next greater number is digit is 8. Next to 8 greater digit is 6. Next to 6 the greatest digit is 5. So such a way 9, 8, 6, 5. Next after 5, next greatest is 4. Next one is 3, and then 1, and last 0. See, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0 is the least. So greatest digit should write leftmost and the smallest digit should write rightmost. So such a way you should arrange all the digits and period wise instead of put the commas period wise. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 lakh, 10 crores. Such a way period wise insert the comma. Then you will get the greatest number. What is the greatest number formed by using these digits? 98 crore, 65 lakhs, 43,210. Now, similarly, we also can write smallest number, smallest 9-digit number. That means digits should not repeat here. Smallest number. What is the smallest number by using digits here? See, what is it out of all digits? Out of given digits, what is the smallest digit? 0. Shall we start with 0? No, we should not start any number with 0. If you start with 0, that is uncountable. We cannot count. So any number should not start with 0. If you write, that is not countable. So that is why we should not start any number with 0. If you start, that is uncountable, not countable. That 0 is not countable. So here we need 9 digits now, including this 0. Here given digits are 9. You also include that 0 in your number. If you write starting with 0, that is uncountable. So don't start with 0. That should next place in next place. Next smallest digit. What is the next smallest digit other than 0? 1. So take 1. Next smallest digit you take here first. Now I am writing smallest digit. So leftmost small digits, rightmost greater digits. So then only we will get the smallest number. To get smallest number, leftmost all small digits and rightmost all increasing greater digits. So that in increasing order. So then only we will get the smallest number. formed with the digits. Now here, don't start with 0. I said, if you start with 0, that is uncountable. So don't start with 0. Next, other than 0, what is the next smallest digit? 1. So start with 1. We are writing smallest number now. So leftmost small digit should be present. So other than 0, 1. Next 0 should come next to smallest 1. One digit after 1. Other than 0, least smallest number is smallest digit is 1. So 1 should write. Next place we take as 0. Now we can start with the 0. No problem. This is countable. Now it is countable. If you start with 0, uncountable. Now we can, to get smallest digit, 0 should be taken as second digit. Now next smallest digit is out of all 2. Next one is 3. So such a increasing order. Writing a increasing order. Then only you will get a smallest number. Next to 3, 4. Next to 4, 5. Next to 5, 6. And then next to 6, 8. After 8, 9. Now, so right side, greatest digit. Left side, you should get a smallest digit. Then only you will get the smallest number. Here, left side bigger, greatest digit. And right side, a smallest digit. Then only you will get the greatest number. So here in 10 crores place 9. So greatest number. Here 10 crores place 1. So smallest number. Possible smallest number by using given digits is this. So should not start with the 0. I repeated already. Next. So such a way. Now what is smallest number now found here? 10 crore 23 lakhs 45,689. Now next question. What is the next question? Same question, same type of question. Greatest number and smallest number. Write greatest number and smallest 8-digit number. Here by using these digits. One condition is given in bracket. What is the condition here? We can repeat one digit. Any one digit can repeat 3 times. You can out of these given digits, one digit can be repeat 3 times. Here that condition is given. Shall we see now? What are the given digits here? 6, 9, 1, 0, 3, 7. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. But asked number is 8-digit number. So then you need 2 more digits. Then here see, you can use this condition. 3 digits can be repeat. Sorry, 1 digit can be repeat 3 times. 1 digit can be repeat 1 digit 3 times. So any 1 digit you can write 3 times. So then only you can get 8 digits. But given digits are 6 only. To get 8-digit number, 1 digit should be repeat 2 times, 3 times. Then only you get if any 1 digit is repeated 3 times, then only you get 8-digit number. So you say now write greatest number. To write greatest number, the bigger digit, largest digit should repeat 3 times. Yeah, as per condition, as per given condition, the largest digit is 9. The biggest digit 9 can repeat 3 times, and remaining all in descending order. 7, 6, 3, 1, 0. This is the greatest number formed by using these digits. Out of these, any one digit can repeat 3 times. So then what we repeated to get big number? 9 is repeated to get big number. 9 is repeated 3 times. So then we get number is 9 crore 99 lakhs 76,310 by using the digits. But actually here 6 only there. But asked 8. To get 8, one condition is there. Any one digit you can write 3 times. That one having done 9 I repeated 3 times to get a bigger number. Now next similarly to get small number out from these digits to form smallest number. So here what is the least one? To get smallest number, start with the least number. What is the least one here? 0. Shall we start with 0? No, it's not possible. You should not start with any number should not start with 0. If you start with 0, that is uncountable, not countable. So that is why don't start with 0. So what is the next other than 0? What is the next digit? 1. So 1 you can write here. First write start with 1. So here repeat 3 times now. Any one digit repeat 3 times now. So I don't want to repeat 1 as 3 times. I want to repeat 0 as 3 times in the middle. In the middle, next to 1, 0 you take. That 0 can take 3 times. If I repeat 3 once, you will get some bigger number than this number. So only first 1 you write here, and 0 can be repeated 3 times. 0 can be repeated 3 times. Then you may get doubt. Sir, why don't you repeat 1 3 times? If I repeat 1 3 times, you will get some more bigger number. You asked the smallest possible smallest number by using digits. So here to get that, so 0 should be repeat. To get smallest possible number, so 0 only should be repeat. Now 1 and 3 zeros. 0 repeated 3 times, and next remaining 3, 6, 7 out of these 3, 6, 7. These right in ascending order. So then you get a smallest number. Here left side is smaller and right side is greater. So such a way you should arrange. You get to get leftmost is a smaller digit, rightmost is a greater digit. Then only you get the smallest digit. But don't start with 0. So start with 1. So as per condition, you can repeat any one digit. Here I repeated 0 as 0 3 times. Not 1. If you repeat 1 3 times, you will get some more bigger number. So, but last, what you asked, possible list, possible smallest number. So, for that, you should repeat only 0 as 3 times as per given condition. Now, you will get 1 crore, no lakhs, only 3,679. 1 crore 3,679 is the smallest possible number using these digits. Next comes to arranging orders. Arranging numbers. See, arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. We can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. How to arrange the ascending and descending order? One second. Here see arranging orders. Given number is, this is the question. Question is given. Here see 7 crore 35 lakhs 86,807. 12 lakhs no thousands 59. And here see 76 crore 10 lakhs and 543. And 5 crore 93 lakhs and 6,125. Here see how to arrange the bigger place values. Check the place values. Place values out of all these. Here this is 10 crore place. Remaining these digits are numbers are start with the crore place. But only this is start with the 10 crore place. So that should be right. When you are writing ascending order small to big now. Okay, small to big. So smallest one. Only this is lakhs place. Remaining are crores place. Here this is only lakhs place. So I wrote here first 12 lakhs 59. First I wrote. Next one 5 crores and crores place. 5 crores are there, 7 crores are there. In the crores place 5 and 7. Which is the biggest? 7 is biggest. Which is the smallest? 5. So arranging ascending order. Ascending order means what? Writing small to big. So smallest one you should take first one, and bigger one take next one. Now crores place smaller is 5, crores place 7 is higher, bigger than crores place 5. So then smallest number is start with crores place 5. So then we write this number 5 crore 93 lakhs 6,125. Next then this bigger one is next one this is 7 crore 35 lakhs and 86,807. Now last one is 76 crores. Here 10 lakhs crores are there. 10 10 crores place also there. So that is why it is bigger than all. 76 crores, 10 lakhs, 543. Small to big. We have to see the check the two arrange them, check the place values, which is having more greater place value that should write last, and smaller place value that should write beginning. So ascending order no, small to big. Ascending order means what? Small to big. Smaller one, that which is the first place value. See beginning place value. How to see beginning place value? As per that we should decide. Beginning place value is smaller, then you write first one. Beginning place value is greater, write last one. Such a way we arrange in ascending order. Place values, check the place values and arrange the numbers in the ascending order, small to big. Now here descending order. Descending order in 10 crores place, write first. Remaining all crores place and lakhs place. So 10 crores place. So 76 crore, 10 lakhs, 543. That you write first. Descending big to small. Descending means what? Order, descending order, big to right, big to small, bigger, greatest number. This is 10 crores place begin. So that's why I wrote 76 crores, 10 lakhs, 543 begin first. Next to this remaining crores place are there. 7 and 5. So we are writing big to small now. Next out of these 2 crores place, 7 is bigger. So 7 crores. I wrote first place. What is the first place? If the first place is greater, that is the greatest. First place is smaller, that is the smallest. Like that you have to compare. So here first place 7 crores is greater than 5 crores. So we are writing big to small now. 7 crores, 35 lakhs, 86,807. Next number is 5 crores, 93, 5 crores, 93 lakhs, 6,125. Least number is here no crores place. That is why I only lakhs place. So you wrote in a least number. So least number is ending 12 lakhs 59. So this is the descending order. Descending means what? Big to small. So such a way we can write down. We can arrange the numbers in ascending order, descending order. You practice exercise 3 by seeing your textbook. Thank you for listening. That's all for now.